In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch ESPN ZOOM so you can stay updated with the latest sports highlights and analysis. Let's get started. ESPN ZOOM is a short-form content feature that provides quick sports updates and highlights. To access it, open the ESPN app or visit the ESPN website and log in to your account. If you don't have an ESPN subscription, you may need to sign up for ESPN Plus or a package that includes it, such as Hulu plus Live TV. Once logged in, navigate to the Videos or Highlights section, where you can find ESPN ZOOM clips. These short videos are designed for quick viewing and cover major sports stories, game recaps, and player interviews. Alternatively, if ESPN ZOOM isn't explicitly listed, search for specific sports or events to find condensed highlights. For live coverage, tune in to ESPN channels through Hulu plus Live TV or another streaming service that offers ESPN. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy ESPN ZOOM.